Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we're actually switching out some old cameras, and I'll kind of show you what a few of them look like real fast, and then I'll show you what the new ones are. So as we flip around, we've all seen these old style of cameras here. They work, you know, and then even have a couple older ones that look like this as well. And what we're switching them out to is a Hikvision camera. And what this camera is going to allow us to do is see full color all day long. And it's still using the same analog coax cable with the same two conductor for power. So, and it's the ColorVu 5 megapixel from Hikvision. So let's switch around and I'll show you what it looks like. So we see here we got the Hikvision ColorVu HD 24 color IP67 rated. It's 5 megapixel, 12 volt, so you know 2.8 millimeter lens on it. Should be pretty good here. Let's take a look at it real fast. So we get it open here, and just pretty a basic looking turret camera. Mounting really simple. Should be able to swap these out no problems, and we'll show you what they look like after we get done. We have I think about 16 or so to do, so stay tuned and we'll show you more when we're finished. Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and we just finished up all these cameras out here. They look really awesome. The client's really happy with the way they look. So let's take a look at how they look on the outside of the house, and somewhere in the video we'll put what they look like and what the old ones look like comparison wise. And we'll see if we can't get a screen cap of one of them in the night and throw that in there too, because they're supposed to be full color, and these are an analog camera. So all you guys that still use that analog wire, there's good solutions out there to update cameras on those as well. So hey guys, remember to like and subscribe down below. We'll see you next time.